These cities in South Korea pay well, but people are still living. Why? Here's the three cities where reality is different from K-drama. The third place, Incheon. Incheon has over 3 million people. But the problem is the air. High levels of the fine dust, many factories, and port activity. You live in a big city, but breathing isn't easy. That's why many people work here but live in Seoul. In the second place, Daegu. Daegu is one of the hottest cities in South Korea. Summer temperatures reach 40 degrees Celsius. Young people are leaving. Population is aging. In summer, it's hard even to walk outside. The city is slowly using people every year. In the first place, Ulsan. Ulsan is where people make serious money. Major industrial hub, home to giants like Hyundai Heavy Industries, high salaries. But here's a catch. Factories everywhere, pollution risk, limited social life. You earn well, but life feels empty. Not every city in South Korea is a dream. Would you choose money or quality of life? Comment below.